Cyprus taxes explained. All Cyprus companies have 4 types of taxes here in Cyprus and maybe 5. The first tax they all have is a corporation tax. That's 12.5% at the year of this video is shot in 2024. The second tax that Cyprus companies have is of course the dividend tax. If you are an overseas shareholder, your dividend tax will be 0% here in Cyprus. If you are a local Cyprus tax resident but non-domicile, again, your dividend tax will be 0 here in Cyprus. And if you are a Cyprus citizen like myself with domicile in Cyprus and tax resident in Cyprus, there will be a dividend tax. At the current year, today, when the year is 2024, this special defense tax, which is the dividend tax, it's at 17%. So usually non-Cypriots do not have any dividend tax, either because they become Cyprus tax residents but non-domicile, or because they simply are tax residents elsewhere, therefore the company is paying them tax-free dividends. The third tax you need to be aware of is of course the VAT. All Cyprus companies are VAT registered, and this is because the Cyprus VAT threshold is really low, it's 15,300 euros. So every quarter your accountants will be calculating the VAT payments on your behalf, and this is something that you need to be paying. So we've talked about 4 taxes. The other tax is of course if you have employees, if you have payroll taxes. If you have employees in your company, then you will have payroll taxes. Because the social securities and the NHS changes year on year, and for the purpose of this video, we will assume that the payroll taxes are 15% for the employer, whilst for the employee are approximately 10%. And the employer's cost accounts for the social securities, let's say 12%, and a 3% NHS, which is the National Healthcare System contributions. In the rare scenario that your Cyprus company owns immovable property here in Cyprus, so if you have a company that owns a property and you will dispose that property, there will be capital gains tax, which is a flat 20% tax. It's different than the corporation tax and the dividend tax, and is calculated a bit differently, where you take the selling price minus the acquisition cost, any solicitor's fees to assist with the transaction, any marketing costs to assist with the transactions, any other directly related costs that you made in order to make the sale. There is an indexation allowance to push up the price from the amount or from the cost that you acquire it to bring it a bit up to today's standards, and the difference is taxed at 20%. These are the Cyprus taxes. Feel free to send us an email at kt@cyprusaccountants.com.cy. Check our website, cyprusaccountants.com.cy. Check our articles. We have numerous articles about taxation, VAT, non-domicile, tax status, capital gains tax. We also have tax calculators on our website, and we will be happy to walk you through the details. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.